for the woman, the pregnant attribute makes sense, right? It wouldn't make sense to put it on human because not all humans can get pregnant. Make sense? And same with the men, right? We put beard because not all humans have beard, only men, right? And then we play with inheritance and we test stuff, right? Good?
I had a question about that logic that you're talking about. I also played with the logic that all humans are mammals, but not all mammals. Like there's only like one mammal that lays eggs, and not all mammals like have babies like that, you know.
Okay.
So like, would the lay egg thing would be in mammals, or would it be like in mammals that have platypuses? Would it be like in a platypus?
Now, is this idea of inheritance clear, guys? 100% clear? Yes? Yes. Let me ask you this question. I told you that I can create a man, I can create a woman, right? And I pass all the attributes that I need. For the woman, apparently I only need a boolean, right? To say if she's pregnant or not, right? But I have to pass all this because the constructor from woman is going to call the constructor from human. And that constructor needs to set up all these attributes, right? Which is name, last name, etc., etc. Remember? And same thing with the man, right? And then I told you that the parent class is a concrete class, meaning that I can instantiate it, just like any other class we have seen so far, right? And I told you that we could get an example where somebody tells you, look at this person, it's called Pat Smith. And you don't know if it's Patricia or Patrick. So you don't want to create that object as a human, as a man object, or as a woman object, because you don't know. So what you can do is put it in the generic way, right? Make sense? It's like when you go, imagine you go to a baby shower, and they don't want to tell you the sex of the baby. What color are you going to take? Pink? Doesn't make sense, right? Because maybe not a baby girl, right? Blue? No, sorry, right? So you try to look for neutral colors, right? You understand what I'm saying? Something more generic, maybe white, right? You understand what I'm saying? So it's something similar here. We cannot go with man, we cannot go with woman. We have to go with something more generic because we don't know Pat Smith, what gender that person belongs to. So we can create that as a human object. Clear?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Sometimes you will find in books something like this. They do this. Human age equal human age 2. You have age already, right? Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, before I do this, can I do this? Can I do that?
No.
Why?
It's not specific.
Do I have objects W and M? Would they exist? Have they been declared?
Yes.
Check out.
Like they're different.
Say this. They have been created. The objects as are, as is, are there. So this error is not because the variable has not been initialized. It has nothing to do with that. What is that error?
One's a woman, one's a man.
Yeah.
Good. Object W is of type woman. Object M has been defined as type man. I cannot assign to a type woman an object of a different type. Make sense? So that is incorrect. Right?
But if the object would be the same, if they would both have the same values in the constructor, maybe.
Yes, I can do this. Look at.
Okay.
I can do that. I can make an M2
But it's the same. Okay.
because both are from class man. Right? That is correct. Right? Correct?
Right.
not able to do woman to man because woman has a different information, which is being pregnant or true or false.
Let me put it this way. Let me put it this way. This is familiar. This is easy for you to understand. You have this, right? These are two different types, right? Can I do this?
No.
No, right? Because X is of one type
Mm-hmm.
and Y is from another, right?
Right,
Got it? That's the problem. But if I had here in W equals 7, can I say X equal W?
Yes.
Of course, both are from the same type, so the assignment is valid. Does that make sense? So the first line there that you see is underlined because W is of type woman and M is of type man, so that assignment cannot be made. Professor, what if you wanted to do the other way around? That would be wrong too. Because I would have an object M that is to be assigned a woman object. That doesn't make sense. And you want to convert that guy into a woman, right? He won't like that, right? Make sense?
So even though they both have a Boolean, they're initialized differently, and that's why it doesn't matter.
Regardless they have a Boolean in their name. That name is different. One is man and one is woman. That's the key. Even if both have an attribute called pregnant, for example, it doesn't make much sense, right? But even if both have the same name in the attribute, that doesn't really matter. What you see here is what type of data the object is. Look at that. You don't define in there what I'm highlighting, that it's a man.
Okay,
So no matter how's inside, that object will always be a man.
thank you.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is wrong. None of this is valid, right? Now this is valid, right? Because both are men, so all I'm doing now is, initially it had like this, right? I had here M. Actually, I had M and I had M2, right? I had this guy pointing to an object saying Carlos Tobon, right? And I had this guy pointing to Osmani Gomez, right? Correct? Now I'm saying M equal M2, right? So I'm saying you have to point here too, right? So this link is broken. And this object will be taken, will be disposed by the garbage collector. Got it? And now both are Osmani Gomez. Got it? Yes? So far so good, right? So I will leave this and I will comment it out. I will put here something like cannot convert cannot assign a man object got it? Right? Here's what. Is that clear? So that is a mistake from this part, okay guys? Now this is correct, right?
Yes.
What about this guy?
It's correct.
Yes.
Why is it correct?
Because it is a relationship, because a man is a human.
Right.
Very good.
It's,
That is also correct. You know why? Because I'm saying human H2 is a human, right? Can I assign a human, a woman, or a man?
Yes.
Yes.
Do both comply with being a human?
Yes.
Yes, right? So that is correct. The generic class can receive a more specific class. Yes.
Would beard be a parameter in H2? Is your question.
Good question. Do you understand Euclid's questions? You can, right?
Yes.
Do you understand Euclid's question?
Yeah.
Euclid is saying this object H2 that you just created there and put equal to M. Apparently H2 is capturing the whole M, right? Correct? Now does H2 have a beard now?
No.
Can I call from H2 beard?
No.
You know what? All that information is there. But directly from H2 you won't be able to access that attribute. And I'll show you. Yes, sir.
Can you assign, can you say W equals H2?
I'll get there. Good question. I'll get there. Hold on one second. Let me first go over Euclid's question. So, let's see. Now, H dot. Do you see beer, Euclid? Because what happens is, when you set M be assigned to H2, you are making M, which was a man, very general. Now you're becoming him a human. So from H2, from the point of view of H2, all he knows is that he's a human. Therefore, he just shows you whatever human has. Got it? I make this analogy with, imagine a bathroom. There are some bathrooms that are for women, there are some bathrooms that are for men, right? But sometimes some places have only one bathroom, right? The men and women have to take turns, right? Think of the class human as the bathroom that allows both men and women. Okay? As long as it's a human being, that person can get in, right? So, assume you open the door and you allow anybody to enter, right? Say a woman enters, you close. When you go and you see the door saying it's closed, somebody's there. Like when for example, when you're in the airplane, sometimes the airplanes have only one bathroom, right?
Vacant.
It says vacant if it's empty, or it says whatever, easy, whatever, right? Occupied. Okay, when it says occupied, do you have any clue if the person says a woman or a man?
No.
No way to know that, right? Correct? But you know, for example, let's say, you know that if you knock the door, you expect that somebody will say something. Because regardless if it's a man or a woman, both have the ability to speak, for example. Do you understand what I'm saying? But what you expect is the genetic functionality that any human can give you. Correct? Do you understand what I'm saying? Yes? So that's the same thing here. Imagine this is the bathroom from the airport, from the airplane. You assign a man there. It's like a man is inside the bathroom. But you don't know, when you want to, imagine you want to knock the door, so you want to see what's there. All you can see is what human can do. But the fact that H is a man is hidden now. Got it?
Yep.
That's why you don't see that. But it is not lost. It is not lost. You're going to see that soon. Yes?
I'm sorry, why did you put H instead of just H2?
My bad. My bad. Still you don't see here. Same thing. My bad. Okay, you're right. That was my mistake. Before I get to you, let me go to him for a sec. Now, you ask me, what if I did the other way around? For example, which was similar to what you were saying.
No.
That is not correct anymore. Because you can say that if I have this bathroom for humans, for example, I can be flexible and say I can accept men and women. But if I have a bathroom that is only for men, can I say any human come here? Because I run the risk that a woman may come, because a woman complies with being human. Make sense? Therefore, this way of doing things is wrong. You cannot assign something generic to something more specific. Got it? Is that clear? That is a very typical problem that people don't know. This kind of little toys playing like that is a thing that people don't practice much. Very important, guys. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah.
No, your question, sir.
So Darwin knows that the human class is genetic and the man is.
Because when you create your man and your woman class, you said extends human. Because of that magic word. Not because Java knows about biology or anything. Okay? But because of that word. Any other question? No? Easy? And I'll show you why this can be useful. Look. I can do something like this. Any person, right? So we say it's a guy. So we can say new man. Mario.
Mario.
And beard,
I think in this case
Yeah,
it would be
it was
at
first.
the beginning, right? So let's say he also had beard. Whatever. He's a little taller. 6'5". Whatever. Okay. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Would you need the else there, or,
Sorry.
What do you need for that?
yeah, would you, in this case, would you need the else?
Like, would you need to
Because
actually render it to be
if they're putting F, if it's not F, then it's obviously gonna be a man.
Good question. You mean that, right? You mean that, right? Analyze nice. Would that be correct?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, honestly, that's what you were gonna do.
Okay. Check this out. If answer is female, I'm gonna say any person equal new woman, right? So I'm gonna do this. Is any person, right? Correct? Would be assigned to an object. Woman called Maria Gonzalez, right? Right?
Oh, they're right there.
And then what's the next line? The next line says any person, new man. I'll break this link.
Okay.
So when do you avoid the else? When you, if I have something here like, if I have something like this that prevents me from going down, like for example, if I have something here that prevents me from going down, like for example, a return, then I don't need the else because the return already will let me out. Got me?
Right.
But here it doesn't have anything that prevents me from going down, so I need the else. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah, I had a lot of people saying that you thought it was not necessary, guys. Don't get rusted. It's just being a week. Now, regardless if I have a man or a woman, I can do all the stuff that I can do with a human, right? Right? At this point, when I am here, do I know if any person is a man or a woman? If I am at that point, do I know now? Can I know now if I
Yeah,
looking at the code now? Can you predict if here it's going to be a man or a woman?
No, you haven't until the answer.
It depends on what the user enters when the program runs. Sometimes when I run the program, the user might enter female, then it will be Maria. Maybe the user felt like entering male, it's going to be Mario. So there is no way to know what am I going to have here for any person. Right? Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
You seem not too sure.
Not following the logic.
Okay. So if I wouldn't have done this trick of assigning a generic and being able to be assigned anything, right? Correct? How could I have achieved something like this? I would have had to create a man, a woman object, right? Two separate objects. Create a woman or a man, and then ask again, what did they enter? And depending on what they enter, call the get first name from the man or the woman object. More work. Got it? Correct?
Yep.
Clear?
Yep.
Okay. So we can run this code if you want. So enter gender, for example, male. Name is man. Got it? So I feel like running again and enter female. Now name is Maria.
So this worked with the capital? Like you're asking?
No, because I put start with lowercase f. If I want to work with capitals, I would have to first say answer equal answer to a string and then just don't worry about anything. I mean, to upper or to lower. You understand that, remember?
Put in or word?
Sorry?
Put in or word in the if?
Yes, if you would like to work with the cases regardless, just do this. If I'm checking for lowercase, then I don't care how you enter, you know? Because at that point, everything is lowercase already. Got it? So you can make it like that if you want. It's a weird fantasy. Okay, got it clear, guys? Okay. Is this part 100% clear? Yes, sir.
Well, you have answer dot starts with, would you have to define what starts with is as far as the method?
Will I start to what?
Like where it says answer equals answer, I mean, if answer dot starts with F, doesn't have to know what starts with is as the first index within a string?
Yes, it has to be the first.
But where is that string written? I mean, where's the method written?
Where's the method start with?
It starts with
It's part of the string.
part of the two string?
It's part of the string class.
Oh,
It's
so
like
you don't
a
have to,
length, like the you have length, char, add from strings.
yeah,
It's just one more order.
okay.
I don't have to do it. It comes for free. Look, like the 2 lowercase. Look, you press that. You see all that. You see?
Oh, okay.
That's the ones from streaming. You're familiar with it. The same thing. Char, add, length, index of, plus index of. Remember?
Yeah.
That's just one more.
Okay.
Now, I want you to play a little bit more with this. You can ask me a question that I haven't forgotten. M was what? Carlos Tobón, I think, right? Something H3 equal Carlos Tobón, right? Now, at some point, okay, I want to know if the object H3 appears. Got it? Because someone already assured me that H3 came from a man object named M. Right? I can only do what I'm going to do below because I am seeing that line that says H3 equal M. If nobody gave me that, I wouldn't be able to do that. Okay? And I'm going to show you in a second what I mean. So, can I obtain the beer? Can I print the value of beer true or false? Let's see. Beer.
While it's H2.
If I do H3 dot get beer, you won't be able to find it, right? Correct? Even though H3 is coming from M, right? What I would have to do is convert first this object into man. How? Man casting, remember? H3. Now, not yet, right? Because I'm calling from H3, right? What am I missing? Put this guys in parentheses, right? All this is my object man now. Got it? Press that. Okay, now you should have this here. This will print. Well, you have to put your email, whatever, right? Who said? Doesn't matter. Well, Carlos Tobón didn't have a beer. It was false. We can check that's going on. Yeah. Carlos Tobón. Yeah, we said false, right? You see? For this guy, we said false. If we change to true, then you should see true when we are recording, right? Got it? So you can. It is not lost. It is just hidden. Okay? Is that clear? But by casting, what I'm doing is I'm converting H3, which was a generic one, back to a specific man. Got it? Is that clear?
Yep.
Yes.
After that line, will H3 still be a human, or will it be now a man?
Still human.
It's just
Because-
more.
Because the conversion is just for calling this method. I'm not assigning to anything. Look, I'm not assigning to anything. Now, could I do something like this? Instead of doing it in one line, could I have done something like this? Man and X, whatever. And then call here MX that.
Yes.
Yes.
Same thing, right? Same thing, right? Got it? Are you guys clear?
Yeah.
Same thing, right? I just put everything in one line. Yes, sir.
So for to be efficient, you wouldn't do that.
I would suggest that for now, don't worry about efficiency, guys. Yeah, it can be a little bit more efficient if I do like I did that, because I'm saving on memory and everything. But don't worry too much about efficiency. Worry about what is easiest for you to understand, okay? So far so good? Okay. Why do I say that you have to be careful with doing this? And why did I write this big note here? I can have the luxury of casting H3 into man, because I knew in advance that H3 came from assigning an object M, right? But if somebody fooled me and wouldn't have shown me this, and just gave me his word that H3 came from a woman, and I would have put here woman, this would have crashed.
Right, because there's no SD or the one.
No, because of that. Look, if I put it like that, looks like Java is happy. It's giving me everything from woman, you see? It's pregnant, for example, right? I mean, there are two types of errors that you have to remember. Compilation error and running error, or runtime error. Compilation-wise, this code is perfect. No syntax errors, and this is fine. I'm calling a method from the class woman from a casted object that is already of class woman, right? But when runtime comes, Java is going to detect that H3 was a man. Therefore, this conversion is wrong. Make sense?